So, you've probably seen those videos, right? Make passive income with Amazon KDP. Upload one journal and make thousands while you sleep. Yeah, about that. Some of it's true, but a lot of it? Seriously overhyped. If you're a beginner looking to get into selling books on Amazon, let's just cut through the noise. Here's what actually works, what's a waste of your time, and how to give yourself a real shot at making this thing work. Let's break it all down. Hey, I'm Erin. A little while ago, I got sucked into the KDP rabbit hole. I thought it was going to be this super simple way to make money online. Design a planner, upload it, and boom. Right? Except that's not how it went. I made a few books, uploaded them, waited, refreshed my dashboard, nothing. And honestly, I was frustrated. I kept thinking, what am I missing? People on YouTube are saying this is easy. But instead of quitting, I decided to treat it like a real business, not just a quick side hustle. And once I actually understood how it worked, the right niche, the right tools, the right mindset, things started to click. Now I've got books that make sales consistently in the background. Not retire in barley money, but enough to prove this model's legit, if you're willing to do it right. So let's get into what that actually looks like. First, what is KDP? It stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon's own platform that lets you publish books in both digital and paperback format. And yep, it's totally free to use. No upfront printing, no shipping. Amazon handles all of that. You just need to upload a book that's actually useful to someone. Most beginners start with low content or no content books. Things like planners, journals, logbooks, coloring books, activity books. And honestly, that makes sense. You don't have to write a full novel or spend months editing chapters. But here's the catch, everyone's doing it. So if you're just uploading a generic daily planner with a plain cover, it's not going to move. The trick is to go niche, like really specific. Think a budget planner for single parents, a migraine journal for chronic pain sufferers, a gratitude log for teenage girls, a meal tracker for diabetics, a mood journal for people with ADHD. The more specific you get, the better your chances. People aren't looking for just any notebook. They're looking for something made for their exact situation. Let's talk tools. If you've been putting this off because you think you need expensive software, you really don't. Most creators use Canva to design both the inside and outside of their books. You can also check out BookBolt for templates and niche research, Creative Fabrica for commercial use graphics and fonts, Tangent templates for formatting and layout help. But quick tip, don't get stuck downloading 12 different tools before you've made anything. Pick one or two. Make one solid book. You'll learn way more from doing than from researching. So, how much can you actually make? Most low-content books sell for around $6.99 to $9.99. After Amazon takes its cut, you're left with about $2 to $3 per sale? Want to make $500 a month? That's around 200 to 250 sales. Totally doable. If you have a great product, strong keywords, and you're not lost in a sea of similar books. Which brings me to keywords, because this is where most people fall flat. Amazon is search engine. It works kind of like YouTube or Google. If your title and keywords don't match what people are actually searching for, they'll never even see your book. Start simple. Open Amazon, type Journal 4, and look at what it auto-completes. That's real data. Go deeper with tools like Self-Publishing Titans or Helium 10. They'll show you the keyword volume, competition, and related terms. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're making a gratitude journal. Instead of calling it Gratitude Journal, go with something like 5-minute gratitude journal for busy mums or simple gratitude tracker for teens with anxiety. That's way more searchable and way more specific, which gives you a much better shot at ranking. Now let's talk about some myths that trip people up. Myth 1, just upload 100 books and the money rolls in. Nope. Quality matters way more than quantity. Myth 2, KDP is completely passive from day one. It can become passive, but the setup phase takes real work. Research, design, testing. It's not a set and forget thing straight away. Myth 3, you don't need to market at all. Okay, technically you can get organic traffic if your SEO is on point, but sharing your book on Pinterest or TikTok can give it a massive boost, especially when you're starting out. And honestly, most creators don't go the extra mile, so even a little effort puts you ahead. Here's a simple roadmap that works. Step 1, pick a niche with a clear, specific problem. Step 2, do real keyword research before you even open Canva. Step 3, design a clean, helpful interior that actually serves your target buyer. Step 4, Make a cover that pops on mobile because most people shop on their phones. Step 5. Upload everything to KDP with smart keywords and the right categories. Step 6. Test, learn, and improve with each book. Step 7. Promote, if you want, with simple content on platforms where your audience hangs out. Bonus tip. Create a second version of your best-selling book with a different cover or theme. It's like a silent A/B test. One smart book in a niche that solves a real problem can bring in consistent income for months, even years. So yeah, KDP isn't some magical cash machine. But if you're strategic and consistent, it's one of the lowest barrier online businesses you can start today. And the cool part, once you've got the process down, you can branch into ebooks, lead magnets, YouTube content, even coaching if you want. That's how you start stacking your digital income, one smart book at a time. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see me walk through the full process, picking a niche, designing a book in Canva, uploading it to KDP, let me know in the comments. I've got more real talk videos coming on building income with AI, automation, and smart strategy. Let's build something that actually lasts. Hit subscribe if you want to see more.